My Brooks Ghost Max 2 Run Disney Mickey Mouse sneakers have finally arrived, and I couldn't be more excited. These are a limited edition and clearly made for an icon, with every detail celebrating the man himself, Mickey Mouse. These sneakers are the ideal combination of function and fun, practical for covering miles in the parks, but playful enough to show off your fandom. You've got Mickey's autograph, which adds a special touch, and his silhouette on the heel completes the design perfectly. Hidden Mickeys peek out on the laces and throughout the sole. Beyond the Disney details, these sneakers are built for performance. The broad soles provide max cushion and that stable foundation, which is perfect for walking through the parks all day. They feel supportive, well-structured, and comfortable while still looking fun and stylish.